So let's see if we can start one real quick. Look at there. Hey guys, what's going on with TCARP? Alright, I've walking up here in the woods today, and I'm doing some cage trapping. I'm gonna set some of this up. I've actually had some good luck in this area before, and I'll roast some stuff in this thing. I'm setting these up off of a deer trail. So there's a deer trail that runs right up through here. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a few buck rubs right through here, so can't wait to come out here next fall and see if I can get me a deer. But I'm gonna go ahead and set these traps up, see if I can get me any raccoons. So stay with me. All right, so I'm using just this cage trap that you can get at that you can honestly get at Rural King. Try to get it set down, and I'm using just some really old prepping stuff I had. This is some old tuna. So I'm gonna open this up, basically shove it in the back there with the can, and we'll see what happens. All right, here's how I got this thing set up, and it's really nothing major. I've got this set up to where I've got it open, and I've got that back in the back there, so that should be good. Like I said, I have caught something here before, so I'm excited about it. All right, so I've got my first trap right here. I've got the deer trail kind of right here, and I've got another trap right here. So basically what I'm doing, and I've got a line of kind of scent run through here. I've got tuna in there, and then I've got little weenies basically laid out through here. So if anything like a raccoon comes down and wants to hit this line, they're going to stop right here, and hopefully they'll go right or left to one of these traps. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, it is checking the trap line time. So I'm gonna walk up here to where I had my two box sets and see if we got anything. I'll just see. Stay with me, guys. I think I got something. Yeah, I've got something. And I've got something in two. Looks like I've got two things. Might have a double. Oh. All right. So let's check on it. I've got, So I've got a possum in one. I know, buddy, I know. Got possum in one. Let's see if I probably got another possum or a raccoon in this one. Got a big possum in this one. Oh, look at him. Now go on now. You get on. Yeah. Go on now, baby. Go on. Go on now. Yes. It's a beautiful possum. Yeah, go on. Let this one go too. Hey. What's up, buttercup? Yeah. There you go. Then you have a little release of a little small possum. There you go. There it is. Good job. And then they finally start moving when they get going. Get up on the tree. Get up on the tree. Good job. You need to get going, bud.